Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2015 Jeep Patriot Sport with the high altitude package. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger 4x4 SUV in a sleek black color. Under the hood you'll find a 2.4 liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of upgraded 17-inch mineral gray wheels. Included in your high altitude package is your sunroof as well as your heated leather seats and your remote start for the ultimate comfort and convenience.
Helping you into your Jeep Patriot is your handy remote starter. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your panic button. That remote starter will definitely come in handy during those cold Alberta winters. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. Opening it up now to take a look. Plenty of space to hop into your Jeep. You also do have a dark, unique interior with your power windows and power locks on the side, your power adjustable side mirrors. You have that fan detailing and your floor mats to keep things nice and tidy, and the real showstopper being your leather trimmed seats to add that sporty and stylish touch. And of course, letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof. Definitely going to be nice to have open during those hot summer drives. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your Jeep Patriot, simply put your foot on the brake and that key in the ignition there. That dashboard's going to light up with that cool ambient lighting. Taking a look at your kilometers, you have 22,725. You also have your leather wrap steering wheel with your mode changers mounted on this side and your cruise control on this side here. Taking a look at your audio system now, you do have your AM FM radio as well as your Sirius XM radio plus your CD player and your auxiliary input, so you can bring your music wherever you go. You have your climate control below here, which is equipped with that air conditioning. Definitely going to come in handy during those hot summer drives. You have those heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side with 2 levels of heat. Perfect for Alberta winters. You have your 12-volt DC charger and your traction control. You have your stylish shift knob mounted a little bit higher for comfort, and you do have your cup holders and your 4-wheel drive system. Inside of your center console you have that top shelf for any smaller items, plenty of space inside to store everything that you need, and hidden underneath you have your 120-volt AC plug-in for charging your media. You have your open storage on top here, plus all of the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Patriot. Everything's nice and organized. You have that chrome detailing on your fans just to tie all of that functional style together. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Patriot. Taking a closer look, you do have that rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy out there. You also do have your handy skid plate to keep everything nice and protected. Opening up that lift gate now, check out all that space that's available to you in the back of your SUV. You also do have your handy 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items. You have your cargo lamp for visibility, and you do have underneath your spare tire storage with your tools and your jack in case anything does happen on the side of the road. Closing it up now, simply grab that handle there. We'll drop down. As you can see, you have your high altitude badging as we take one more look at the back of your Patriot.
Taking one final look at your 2015 Jeep Patriot Sport with the high altitude package. This unit specifically has low kilometers as well as your handy 40/60 split folding seats to offer functional storage options. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.